Okay, everyone, if you've been looking for a way to make money online without spending money, I have the way right here, and it's a really simple way. If you notice the screenshot that I'm showing you right now, there's $20. Well, what I did was I opened an online bank account with a company. It's actually Compass Bank because you can see, well, you can't see it on here, but it's with Compass Bank, and their division is Simple Bank, okay, online. So they send you a Visa FDIC insured debit card that is going to have not very many fees on it or anything like that. But the really nice thing about it is every time you do this and you give one of those Visa cards away, you get $20, and the people you gave it to gets $20. Okay, now look here. Here's another screenshot, and there's another $20 right there. In the matter of a couple days, when I was just getting started with this, I had 2 people that I gave these debit cards away to. And I got $20 each time I did this. It does take about 5 to 7 days for the card to arrive in the mail. The only thing is that I do have another program, and if a person wants to stick with me, I can show them that other program where they're going to make $5 from everybody that puts an app on their phone, and they don't have to spend any money for that neither, and they make the $5 every time they do that. So you're going to have this video, and the other video is going to be listed on here, because these 2 programs work really good together. You can make $25 off from each person that you give this card away to, and that loads that app on their phone, and you work with them and you get them to get that. So you can look at that other video, and you can look at this video, and then, get back with the person that sent you to these videos. Thank you.